Hey Japan beer travelers, my name is Alex with Taiheiyogan. I'm here in front of Taste of Okinawa where they specialize in some amazing Okinawan food. We're about 5 minutes down the road from Makishi Market and on this really great shopping street where you can buy souvenirs for you to take home. So let's show you how to get here first. So now you guys know how to get here. As you can see, I have two great Okinawan beers, and I also have fish and chips and Eisbein. Now, the food may not look entirely Okinawan, but all the ingredients for the food is taken from Okinawa itself. Now, take for example this Eisbein. It's made from pork in Okinawa and marinated for 7 days in a porter beer. So if this isn't entirely Okinawan enough for you, they also have an amazing cooking school that they do in the afternoons, which teaches you how to make authentic and traditional Okinawan food. So let's have Andrew tell you a bit more about this place.
Taste of Okinawa is a cooking school, restaurant, and bar, all rolled into one. In the day, you can get your cook on with their lessons, where they take you to the nearby Makishi public market to see local ingredients, as well as picking up a few things for a cook-off. You then return to Taste of Okinawa, where you make traditional Okinawan dishes. At night, they switch gears and break out the drinks by becoming a restaurant and bar where you can eat and drink to your heart's desire. With 5 taps and a cooler full of craft beers from around Japan, you will definitely be able to find something tasty. The highlight of the cooler of beers is that they have almost every bottled beer from Okinawa, so you can try everything Okinawa has to offer in one stop. While the cooking school focuses on Okinawan dishes don't always match perfectly with beer. They focus more on Western dishes such as their Eisbein and fish and chips. These dishes create a better dance of flavors with the beers available to you. The prices at Taste of Okinawa are competitive. They use a lot of quality ingredients in their food and source the freshest beers possible. You will definitely be getting what you pay for when visiting. The open area and large communal tables mean you'll be able to relax while enjoying your meal. You can even make friends with the charming locals, as they're always curious about visitors. The bright decor will help you relax, and the friendly staff will always make you feel at home.
Alright, so now you know everything you need to know about Taste of Okinawa. So please come down here, try out the cooking classes so you can learn how to make some delicious Okinawan food, and try out some of the bar food as well. So we hope to see you down here sometime.
ぜひお待ちしてます。バイ。
Goodbye.
For more details, make sure you click on the links in the description. Head to Taiheiyogan's page about Taste of Okinawa for complete details, as well as how to get here. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit subscribe, as well as to subscribe to our other social media accounts. To see the latest offerings from Taste of Okinawa, be sure to like them on Facebook as well, and mention you found them from Taiheiyogan.